Today I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Microsoft Planner. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking down larger tasks into smaller manageable steps, helping you stay organized and track progress more effectively. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Planner. Start by opening a browser window, then type in planner.cloud.microsoft in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft credentials here. Go ahead and log in with your account details. Once you've successfully signed in and your planner has fully loaded, you'll see your dashboard with various planning options. To create subtasks, you first need to select the specific plan where you want to work. Look at the left navigation menu and click on My Plans. This will display a list of all the plans you have access to or have created. Browse through this list and select the plan you wish to open by clicking on it. Now that you're on the plan overview page, you'll see all the tasks organized within that plan. Take a moment to locate the task where you want to add subtasks. Each task will have a three-dot icon next to it, which opens additional options. Click on those three dots next to your chosen task. A context menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, click on Open Details. This action will open a detailed task overview window where you can see and modify all aspects of that particular task. In the Task Overview window, look for the Checklist section. This is where the magic happens for creating subtasks. The checklist feature in Microsoft Planner essentially functions as your subtask manager. You'll see a field that says Add an Item. Click on this field and start typing the description of your first subtask. Once you've entered the subtask description, hit Enter to add it to the checklist. This subtask will now appear under the main tasks checklist moving forward. You can repeat this process to add as many subtasks as you need. Each item you add creates a manageable piece of the larger task, and you can check them off as you complete them. This visual representation of progress helps keep your team aligned and makes it easier to track what's been accomplished and what still needs attention. And there you have it. You've successfully created subtasks in Microsoft Planner using the checklist feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.